Welcome back to another show. We're gonna start off today with the Euro USD hour 4, and we're gonna stay on the hour 4 for the time being. Here's what we got here. Same deal as last week. Only this week we're only looking at the 150 HMA. Now, if we zoomed out or scrolled left, you can see the HMA caught a lot of the trend. If we used it for the sell since September 7th to October 4th, and you see we would have caught the majority of the trend. So that's why I'm going with the 150 period HMA. And same with this week. If we used it from the end of October to about now, without exiting the trade, we could catch the majority of the trade with our stop loss over the last high, right? The higher high above the higher high is where we put our stop loss. Okay, and we're gonna do that from now till about January, do some testing, and if that continues to be profitable, then of course we'll go and continue that. What I found was when I used the 50 HMA, it would cross, but I'd enter too soon. So my stop loss was way about 100 pips below entry point. It still was a 3-to-1 ratio, but I'd rather have 50 or less pip stop loss. So we're going with the HMA and the 4-hour time frame. Just recently we got a cross above the GBP USD on the hour 4, so we're going to keep that trade in mind as we enter a limit at 134.100 or as high as 134.100 and exit around 137.700. Same with GJ, just got a recent price action cross above 152.8, cross above the HMA, and fractals are showing bullish trend. Okay, there's Euro J and the odd J. The SEFPI is still a sell. The NZD JPY is looking bullish, but of course we want to wait for confirmation. Same with the NZD CHF, cross above the HMA and bullish fractals. And also this has a retest arrow, so price came back down from entry, went up, made bullish price, came back down to where it crossed above our bullish area and continued to range in that area. So we're waiting on this fractal to break to the upside. Okay, we got GBP CHF on the hour 1. We're going to go back to the hour 4 and make sure we have bearish price right now because GBP is so volatile. But we're going to be entering a buy as soon as price becomes bullish again. Okay, so somewhere around 123.8 and 123.4. UJ's been ranging for the past 2 or 3 weeks. We'll wait for that to cross to the upside. Okay, so we got BTC, Bitcoin, USD on the hour 4. It's been selling like a rocket, and it may continue to sell until 3,900 or even 52,000 is hit. Okay, let's go to XAU. Okay, XAU has a sell signal on the hour 4. That just came in with the cross with the cross of the HMA. So we're bearish there. We'll enter a limit when we start trading XAU gold, but for now, that's just telling us where it's going. Last but not least, we'll look at Ethereum on the hour 4. That's been selling along with BTC, USD, Bitcoin, so that'll continue to sell. To further notice, the last range, the last bullish range on Ethereum was from September to about November 9th. So a month and a half or so, we're looking to sell Ethereum. And that's all for this week. Catch you next one.